All right, I just got a couple clips on my scooter in front of the Disney Wish. I just don't know why, but Disney does such a good job with like the hull design and everything. Like they got the navy blue hull with the yellow stripes. Looks so good. All right, now we are going to the Independence of the Seas. Let's go. Disney Wish, Independence of the Seas. I love that ship. And that ship. I like that one more, but I mean, yeah. Look at that. That is just so cool. All right, now. So we're at this Fish Lips Waterfront Bar and Grill. Mariner of the Seas. It's a really cool ship. Disney Fantasy. I've actually been on that ship. It's actually really cool. We got the Mariner of the Seas pulling out. Like, this is so cool. Yo, they were jamming out in there. They are jamming. Look at that waves back. Look at those waves back there in the back. It's just such a cool ship. Holy cow. All right, now we got the Disney Fantasy coming in. Look at that ship. It's so cool.
That guy is excited up there.
What's that? Look at that thing! It's so cool! This is so great!